Remember that always, huh?
Okay.
When I said stop, you stop.
Okay.
When I said no,
No.
no. Okay?
Okay.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
You remember that always, huh?
Okay.
You always listen.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Good night na, ha?
Okay.
I'm so sorry, Daddy.
Nantok na, pikit na.
Tomorrow, you have school tomorrow.
You have school tomorrow, huh?
Okay.
Are you crying in school?
No.
No?
Yes.
Very good.
You always have the star, diba?
Okay.
Because you're doing your ano bang tawag doon?
School activities.
Yes.
What did you do kanina? Just take a picture for ID. Diba? Yesterday, you make bread. Diba? And
Make
you
egg
gave it to
sandwich?
Lola.
Yes.
You like egg sandwich?
Yes.
You did not eat it eh.
You give it to Lola?
And teacher.
Teacher?
Yes.
Whose are your teachers?
Teacher Anna.
And
Teacher Jen. And not one. And at the edit.
very good. Do you remember your classmates' name?
Okay.
Do you remember?
Yeah.
What's their name?
Not Jama. Karay Sagan.
Not your name. Your seatmate is Tyler, right?
Tyler.
Yes, Tyler, you know him.
Yes.
Do you play with Tyler?
Okay.
Tomorrow you play with your classmates, no? Also, Adli is your schoolmate.
Yes.
Is Adli crying?
No. I
No.
just going to school.
No, Adli's going to school na always.
Yes.
Very good, no? Are you a very good boy also?
Yes.
Wow. Do you like to go to school?
Yes.
What's your favorite? Who is your favorite teacher?
Teacher Anna.
Oh, your favorite teacher is Teacher Wena. Is Teacher Wena nice?
Yes.
She is nice, no? Very good boy,
Ano na siya, mami, sa dede niya. Iupo ko muna.
Oh, sige.
Sit down. Your tummy is hurt?
No, that's not.
Yes, not? You birth muna. You birth muna.
I like that.
The Barney?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Is Barney is your playmate?
Oh.
Is he your best friend?
Yes. And friends.
And friends.
Yes.
Tomorrow, are you gonna bring biscuit to the school?
Oh, yeah.
Do you eat biscuits in the school?
Yes.
I saw your biscuit, you don't finish it eh.
Did not finish your biscuit in school? Why? Because you play with your classmates?
My lips look the bottom is sleeping.
What is your song in school? Can you give me a sample?
Yes.
You sing
Oh, you sing na.
in school?
Oh, she.
Mashi ada hello hello dum daga.
Faster.
Mashi ada hello dum daga.
Louder.
Mashi ada hello dum daga.
Oh, very good. How about the ram sang sang?
Mami.
Nantok na siya, mami.
Antok na pala. Okay, good night, Amen.
Night.
Tomorrow you're gonna play with your baby, with the baby Jadon, no?
Yes.
You talk to him, no?
Yes.
Say, baby Jadon,
Baby Jadon.
go out na, Mommy's tummy.
Go out, Mommy's tummy.
Let's play together.
Yes, play together.
I'm waiting for you.
I'm waiting for you.
I love